How's it going? James, Online Car Show. Got the update number 2 for Camaro Fest here. And in this one we're going to show some of the drag racing and some more footage from the show and talk a little bit more about the road trip up there and back. Thanks for watching the video, and without hesitation, let's get it started. Well, as y'all can see, I've got my Hammerdown Motorsports shirt on. I got it Camaro Fest. Shout out to him. Go check out his channel and you're going to see his car in some of these videos here. In this video, we're going to cover the drag racing portion and some more footage from the car show and cars around the show. I'm not going to show anybody's times or discuss any times. If you want any of that information, you need to go out to their individual channels. Also to discuss, I made the road trip up there, which is a 13.5-hour drive from Houston there and then 13.5 hours back. So I didn't want to run Nadia too hard at the car show or at the Camaro Fest. So I only did 2 passes with her. The first one was absolutely horrible. Thankfully the lens cap was on when the wife was recording, so we didn't even get that footage. I'm not any bit sad of missing it, but the second run I did a little better. The track, it was unbearable hot out there. The track did have a little bump in it, kind of, I did notice, and there'd been a couple wrecks in the lane I ended up in. So I didn't want to push her too hard, made me a little worried about it, and just for the fact this is the first time I've ever raced under a pro tree. Most of the trees I've raced, they count down yellows. 1 yellow, 2 yellow, 3 yellow, and then green, and I'm used to going on the last yellow. This one just kind of went yellow green, so it threw me off and put me out a little bit out of my norm for the drag strip, but needless to say, I had a great time. Also, before we get too far into the drag racing videos, I just want to go over a quick contest that I held here on Instagram. I try to switch it up each time, as y'all know, so I can get to everybody out there with the contest and giveaways. This contest was for an American Authority fuel door. As y'all know, I've got my GM Parts House GM red fuel door, and I absolutely love it. They were giving away American Authority fuel doors at the show. American Authority was in their booth, and I ended up acquiring one, so I figured that I would give it on to you guys since I already have one. So I held a contest on Instagram for those that can guess who autographed my intake at the show, and I'm going to show y'all some footage here real quick of the intake so you can see the 2 signatures on there. The first signature was Scott Settlemeyer, which is known as the F-Body Father, and I recommend you go out and Google him. And also the second signature was Al Oppenheiser, which is as y'all probably know, is the GM Camaro chief engineer. Both guys were incredibly nice. Al actually thanked me for letting him sign my intake, which I thought was incredibly thoughtful gesture and incredibly nice guy. The contest winner that guessed the 2 signatures that were on the intake was a guy by the name of 6gen_bomb on Instagram. Go out and give him a follow. Tell him congrats on winning the fuel door, and I'll be shipping it to him shortly. So let's get actually to the footage of the drag racing, and please leave in the comments anything, recommendations y'all have for me, anything like that, or any comments according to the footage, etc. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to have a link to a lot of the YouTube channels you see racing below in the description. Be sure to go out and hit them up and follow them.
Gentlemen, start your engines, brothers!
He going up.
y'all can see, it was an absolute blast. I ran 2 drag passes, as I said. I didn't want to push my luck road tripping the car. But there was also autocross at the event. There was a road course the first day, which was actually Thursday, at the National Corvette Museum Raceway or whatnot, road course. And Beach Ben had set up an autocross track on a skid plate, or skid pad, excuse me, as well as the drag racing event. So, plus the car show on top of that. So it really was truly Disneyland for Camaro owners. It was an incredible event. I'll never forget, and I look forward to the next one I get to attend. Thanks for watching my videos. Be sure to hit the subscribe. We've got news I've already got in the mail from Rev Auto on a contest that I won. Real exciting news. I can't wait to share that with y'all. We also picked up a mod at Camaro Fest for Nadia, and I'll be doing a video on that as well. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful week.